Alright, this is outside the building. Hello, I hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to take you through a room tour. In Cape Town, there is Southern Sun / Cape Sun, right? It's situated right in the CBD or Central Business District. I'm going to show you 2 rooms. I think this is a standard room, you get 2 beds, you get 2 double beds, and then the other one, it's 1 queen. I'm not sure if it's queen or king size, but I'm going to show you. I'm also going to show you a swimming pool, there's gym, I'm going to show you a restaurant and a reception area and everything, So let's begin, starting with this room. Okay, so we're going to start with this bedroom. We have 2 double beds over here, just your normal 2 double beds. You have that small table, this phone for room service, you have that lamp, you have the lamp over there, you have your flat screen, you have this, I don't know what this is called, this table for a TV, and then you have those cabinets. You also have a small fridge, which you can use to put your water. And then over here we have 2 cups for coffee, we have your kettle, we have your tea and coffee inside here, 2 kikis, Southern Sun, and 2 packets of milk. I don't know what this is. Maybe this is where you pour your milk. And then we have your workstation here, this is where you'll put your laptop and do some work, you have a reading chair over there. Now, before I show you the view behind me, let's first go to the bathroom. The bathroom is very big, You have your 2 towels, you have your big mirror as well, You have this basin, and then over here you have your soap, mini soap, you have your shower cap, you have 2 glasses for water, and then you have your conditioner or conditioning shampoo, bath shower gel, and a body lotion, And then over this side we have a bathtub / shower, So it's a combination of a bathtub and a shower. If you want to use it as a shower, you just pull this like this and then you stand over there. I will say though, I prefer a shower instead of a bathtub, So there's that. So that is it for this room. Now let me go and show you the view. This is floor 29. And the view is just amazing. Let's go there. Now we're going to the most important part of this room, which is the view. Take a look at this. What are the chances in life when you wake up every day, early morning, and you see this? Okay, so now the room that I'm going to show you is in floor 30, as you saw. This is room 30, 12, if I'm calling that right, And it's facing. Okay, so obviously you get in from this side, okay, and then you have your 2 switches here for the bathroom and then for the room. And now let's start at the bathroom and then make our way through to the bedroom. So the bathroom is more like the one that I just showed you now. Everything is pretty much the same. You have your toilet, you have your bin, you have those, you have your basin, you have your towels, you have your 2 big mirrors, Again, you have your bathtub. That is also a shower. If you want to use the shower, just pull this. So yeah, this is your bathroom. Now let's go to the actual room and the view. So over this side is your bedroom, You have your reading chair. You have 2 tables. I don't know what for, but that is your workstation over there. You have your bin, obviously. You have that mirror. You have these lamps. If you watch those old movies, it gives me those retro and vintage vibes, And then you have this double bed, which really is just two single beds or three-quarter beds that are combined together in this big truss. That's your television, and that is its table. You can put some other stuff there. And then you have a mini you have a mini fridge to put your stuff in, Then obviously you have your 2 cups for coffee or tea, and then you have your kettle and Southern Sun cookies, milk, and everything is just inside here. So this is your coffee, your tea, and your sugar. Now take a look at this, and then you will decide which one you will pick between the one room that I showed you, which is facing the Table Mountain, and the one that is facing the ocean, also facing a harbor. Take a look at this, guys. Cape Town is beautiful. So that is Cape Town for you. Do you see how beautiful this city is? So Cape Town is the capital city of South Africa. In fact, there are 3 capital cities in South Africa. We have Pretoria, we have Bloemfontein, and then this is Cape Town, which is the mother city, situated right at the bottom of Africa, south of Africa, So now let's go and check, because we are at floor 30. Let's go and check the gym and the swimming pool at floor 32, which is the last floor of the building. I'm interested to see how it looks. Let's go. Now we're going to floor 32.
Second floor. Going down.
Apparently, there is a gym here, there is a spa, there's almost everything. I'm sure maybe those are rooms for staff or something, I don't know. But this is the gymnasium. This is the exit. I think we go up. This is not floor 32. This is more than that. Then here it is. Now we are at the gym, okay? So you enter from this side. No diving. Oh wow, that's a swimming pool over there. So you enter from this side, There are towels here for gym. There's water. There's that candle. Nice touch, And then we have these. I don't know what these are for. Massage oil. Oh, for massaging. Wow, this is nice. And then this is just your reception area, when you come to the gym. And then this is just where we do exercise and everything. This is obviously very nice. And now, take a look at this, the swimming pool. This gym over here, Guys, a swimming pool in the top floor of the building that is 32 floors. How nice is that? I'm always going to take advantage of this place. Now let's go downstairs so that I will show you the reception and also the restaurant, and then it will be the end of this video. Now let's go downstairs. Right, this is outside the building. Now let's go inside. I'm going to show you the reception and the restaurant. And this is how the inside looks like. You know, you have a Cape cuisine over there. And then you have your reception area over that side. Yeah. And unfortunately, behind me is the restaurant. Mara, for now, it's still closed, you know, so you can't really see it. But I'm just going to show you the other side. Can you hear that? We also have a piano here. That was the hotel tour. That was the room tour. I hope you liked it. Behind me, these are just the elevators. You know. So this is in Cape Town, the mother city, right? This is Southern Sun, it's in the CBD. But we have many Southern Suns here. This one specifically is Southern Sun / Cape Sun. You know. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.